Alright, so should you own a Porsche Panamera? Well, of course. If you are handy and you're willing to do some maintenance for yourself. So this one has 80,000 kilometers. And the dealership wanted 6,000 to do what they call a major maintenance, which includes repairing the seals, clean them and stuff, changing the filters here and there. So if you own a Porsche Panamera and you're wondering if you should change your engine filter or not, this one has 85,000 kilometers. And this is the filter. I would say it's pretty damn dirty. This is one of 3 filters. I still have 2 on these sides since this is a GTS model. But yeah, look at that.